This story is brought to you by the Health and Homeopathy podcast.
I've had, for example, a woman in my church, 66 at the time. So she's about 68 now. And I saw her on crutches. I was new to that church. And I saw her on crutches. And I said, "Hey, Deb, what's going on?" She says, "Oh, my knee just comes out of the socket. I usually just push it back in and I'm good to go." She says, "I'm going to have a knee replacement in October." This was in May, early May. She said, "I'm going to have a knee replacement in October." I said, "If I gave you a very effective and very affordable protocol to completely heal you and avoid the surgery, would you be interested?" And she said, "Yeah." And she was sincere. Some people say yes, and then you don't hear from them. So I gave her the protocol, and she immediately went out and got the stuff. And a few weeks later, maybe a couple of months later, I saw her again, and I said, "Deb, how's the knee?" She says, "It feels better, but I'm still scheduled for the surgery." I said, "Good." I said, "You know what? Keep doing what you're doing. Just be very, very diligent." I saw her again in September sometime. And I said, "Deb, give me an update. How's it going?" She says, "B, I have had so much improvement that my doctor canceled the surgery."
Awesome.
I'm like, yes, that is so exciting. So she's still on it, because these things didn't develop overnight, especially if you're 66 years old. It took a good long while to get there. And then sometime later, she comes to me and she's twirling around. She says, "B, look. And I'm like, "Okay, what am I looking at?" And she says, "I'm wearing heels." They were about so big, but she could not wear any heels anymore. That's how bad all her bones had gotten. So she was just so excited that she could wear little heels. So she continues to improve.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and share this story with someone who needs the healing power of homeopathy.